Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Pinterest tag in WooCommerce, full guide step by step clearly. To disable the Pinterest tag in WooCommerce, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left sidebar. Locate the Pinterest plugin that you have installed. Click on the deactivate option next to the Pinterest plugin. If you want to delete the plugin entirely, click on delete after deactivation. Next, go to WooCommerce settings by clicking on WooCommerce in the sidebar. Select the Integration tab from the WooCommerce settings menu. Look for any Pinterest-related settings that may still be active. If you find any, disable these settings to ensure the Pinterest tag is fully removed. After making changes, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. To check if the tag has been removed, visit your website's source code. Right-click on your website and select View Page Source. Press Ctrl+F or Command+F to open the search function. Type Pinterest in the search box to see if any related scripts remain. If you find any leftover Pinterest tag scripts, you may need to clear your cache. To clear your cache, navigate to your caching plugin settings if you're using one. Once the cache is cleared, revisit the page source to confirm the tag is gone. Finally, monitor your site's performance and analytics to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.